Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
Question 24, if your vehicle moves towards the observer, remember the formula will be observed frequency is V over V minus, right, Vs times Fs. So how do I know it is actually minus? Because coming towards the frequency that's observed will be higher, so therefore the bottom must be smaller, so it's minus. So what you will notice is, as it moves towards the observer, the vehicle accelerates. So that means this value of Vs starts getting bigger. So what will happen is the bottom will get smaller, the term at the bottom will get smaller. So that means the observed frequency will have to rise first. And then after that, it travels at a higher steady speed, so that's constant speed. So constant speed means your observed frequency will be constant, and then decelerates. When decelerates means your speed of the source will drop, so therefore the bottom one will be bigger. So the bottom term bigger, then the observed frequency will be slightly smaller. So the answer it will rise and then remain steady, and then will be lower than your FO.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with one or two past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.